Hello, everybody. This is now the Play 700 application note here. If you may remember previously, I created a Scratch 2 example called the Moody dog, where essentially it interacts with the DogBot, and switch costume and switch sound. So what I wanted to do recently is I have learned a new trick where we're going to use the Android web app Play 700. It's a regular DocBot. I create the passcode from on the PC side. I'm also hooked up onto the phone through regular Windows 10, and then you can see it's hooked up. So we'll get to that. First, let me explain the code. So the computer runs, actually the CM50 here runs. I give melody 10, and then it'll wait for 2 seconds for the user to catch up, because you remember on the Android phone here, you have to catch the project, you have to get in, they have to wait for time to connect to the Zigbee, the BT210, which I'm using here. So that I had to add these things. These things you need to do in the Scratch 2, because everything is hooked up to the PCs every time from there. But the logic fairly is pretty much the same. So once you've done that, also describe the background one. What is background one? Background one is part of the project. So Moody block image the background, and then the background is one of those pictures. And while we're here, this is interesting. I found out is you see there's angry dog and angry dog one. So these angry dog, DogBot, friendly dog, Moody fellow, all those things I created from the PC, and I just use Windows Explorer and push them over. But once you've done that, when you create this project, there's a registration process you have to go through. You have to register all your background images, all your audio images, and stuff like that. What it does is the system takes the original picture and duplicate it, and then register this one. This is the one actually triggered. The way, perhaps let me show you in there first. This. When you go to, give me a second, you go to picture, that's a picture, and we get the background. The background is used in the background. Let's see. The background is treated being different from the pictures. Let's see that it has focus, yeah. The background is being treated as different, so it duplicates that. You can also display picture, what you see here is using the original number. So now that's what's happening. So be careful on how you want to do it. All right, let's get back to the code. Audio same way here, and they duplicate it also while we're on the subject. Once you register. Okay. So display background image 1, 2 seconds, and then this is background 2, that's the Moody picture, the Moody file of pictures. And then if you compare with the Scratch code, it's going to be different, because we are dealing with the task code, so it has different capabilities. So you see, I reset sound count to 0, and then we just have a simple wait while. And then save it. As long as you clap one or more, it's going to quit statement 21. It saves the actual number of claps in the parameter called claps, and then if clap happens to be 1, you just call friendly. If clap happens to be 2, and then you should call angry. Okay? So what is function friendly? It displays the image 3, which is I'm a friendly dog, and it just wait while the R center is less than 35. So and then you have to stick your hand into it, and then we start triggering. So this one trigger is start moving toward you at 500 half speed, is smart play, so it's going to play the video, the audio one on the S4 phone here on the phone, and it's going to wait as it's playing it stay here. So depending on how long this one was about almost 16 seconds or something. And then you can see that as long as the music's playing, it's going to moving around at 500 here. That's it. So you keep on walking until the music stops, and then I turn the power off on the motor. So basically, as long as the audio, this code, the dog will walk, or it show you how walking around. Angry, same way, display different image, the angry dog image, and then same code. They run tell you a little bit faster, 1,000, and then they better play the second audio clip, and it does the same logic. And that's it. So let's see how does it work. So let me put this one back up here so that you can see the old script. And see how, well, probably not used to. So that's the old script. Too big. So the old script we have, this one here is function friendly. And then this is pretty much function angry. And the main piece of code in Scratch 2 was it here. Okay, let's see how it works. So this is kind of tricky. I'm going to turn on the bot and then try to catch it quickly. Connect here. Let's see if I can catch it. Yeah, it missed that original picture of the regular dog. But it's ready now. So if I clap one hand, it shows I am a friendly dog. And then just waiting for me to do so. I stick my hand in there. So you hear the dog walking. I synchronize the legs so it won't walk around anyway. It just jump up and down in one place for me. Okay. All right. Yeah, and I switch back to the original, the default, shall we say, I'm a Moody fellow. All right. And then if I clap 2 now, switch to angry, stay away. And then it say that until I stick my hand in there, and then it move it there. It's a different kind of barking, and it's very less loud than the other one. So I don't know if you could hear it through the video, but you can see that it's doing that. And it was a shorter sound clip, so the dog was walking a bit shorter time. Okay, let's try again. Friendly dog. Okay, that was almost 16 seconds there. So back to I'm a Moody fella, and then 2 claps. Angry, stay away, and then you stick your hand in there and start doing it. Okay. The growling you probably couldn't hear, but that's about as much audio output out of this one we can do at this time. So enjoy the new Play 700 web app. You can do all kind of things with it.